How to upload ebook to Shopify. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload ebook to Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a versatile commerce platform that empowers users to sell products online and in person, serving a business ranging from solo entrepreneurs to global brands. And it also provides the tools to customize an online store, process payments, and implement marketing strategies. And Shopify also supports multinational sales across social media, marketplaces, and physical locations. And now to create an account, you could also click the link in the description, or you could also click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner. Then you will be directed on this page where you can log in using your account such as Google or email address. And after signing in, you will automatically be directed on this dashboard of Shopify, where it will show us on the left side panel some of the options to navigate such as home, orders, products, and many more. But to proceed, adding here an ebook or digital product, we're going to start installing here an application. So just click this Add Apps, and on this pop-up window, just click the Shopify App Store button. Then from here, just search this digital downloads and simply install this one. By clicking the install button, you'll automatically be directed in here, and just click Add New Product button to proceed. And upon doing so, you'll be able to be directed in this page, and all you need to do is to wait for it to load. Then from here, just click Add Product. And after that, just simply under here the title, the description, the media files in here. For example, for this title, I'm going to enter ebook. Then below, you could also enter a random kind of description that describe your ebook. But in uploading here a media files or ebook, we could also start creating using a platform called Canva, in which it's also free. All you need to do is to simply sign in your account in here and just click the search bar on the top panel in here to search for a specific kind of templates of ebook do you want to customize. And upon searching ebook, you'll be able to be directed in here, in which it will show you the result of ebook templates, in which you can select some of the ebook templates in here that is offered for free. But at this point, I'm just going to select this one that is already edited. Then you'll be able to be directed on this page where you can start customizing this template if you want to. And you could also navigate on the left side panel some of the editing tools, including the design, elements, a text, and many more. And now let's say from here, we're going to add a new pages that contain the chapter of this ebook. By clicking these add pages, we can simply enter here a context by clicking the text icon on the left side panel and click add text box and say I'm going to enter chapter 1. And you could also start navigating this font and customize it depending on your liking. And from here, we're going to add or duplicate these pages for the next chapter. I'm going to enter, for example, chapter 2. And for the other one, which is chapter 3. And you could also start editing or adding here a content if you want to. And aside from that, you could also add another kind of design or elements by clicking the element section on the left side panel. But let's say we're now done editing our contents, we can now click the share button on the top right corner and click the download button right here. And choose the file type as PDF. And click the download button to proceed once again. And if you're now done downloading the whole context, we can now proceed by downloading the only cover or book cover of this ebook by clicking this share button once again on the top panel. But before that, I'm going to rename this ebook cover. Then click the share button once again and click the download. But at this point, you simply select here the pages, which is only the first pages or the current page, and click the download to proceed. And after downloading the book cover of this ebook, you simply proceed by going to our page in here in our Shopify store. And now from here, at this description, I'm going to enter a romance ebook in here. Then below, you could also upload a media files in here by clicking this upload new. And after that, just simply select the file that we just customized or the book cover that we just downloaded earlier. And after that, just simply enter here the price that you prefer for this kind of ebook. For example, 500 pesos. And also from here on the right side panel, you could also add the product organization if you want to. For example, the type ebook. You could also enter the vendor, collections, tags, and many more. And now below here under inventory, just simply uncheck this track quantity since we're only selling here an ebook which is a digital product. And after that, you could also add here a category, genre, and many more. And if you're now done, just simply click the save button in here to proceed. And it will show us that we've now successfully uploaded here an ebook to our Shopify store. So again, you could also click this more actions if you want to show analytics bar of this ebook to track the sales of it. So basically, using this digital downloads application that we just installed, we can easily track here our digital product or our ebook in here in our Shopify store. And if you go to our product section, it will show us in here that we could also add a product again if you want to add another more ebook or digital product in here. And just simply uncheck this shipping section under physical product and also an inventory in here if you want to. But overall, that is just basically how you can upload an ebook to Shopify. Thank you.